Did you know that your body has a secondary circulatory system, and it's called the lymphatic system? Join me on the trampoline today. We have 12 exercises to work the lymphatic system. Let's go. Start with a health bounce. Shoulder width apart. Your knees are slightly bent. You're engaging that core. You're relaxing the shoulders. Press down on the mat. Now, circle back the shoulders. This is just a 1 minute health bounce. We are pushing down on the mat with our whole weight. Keep your feet flat. Let's go, and smile. And circle the arms back. Good. And forward and back. Let's go. Working the lymphatic system, getting those toxins out of our body. All right, let's walk in place. Number 2. Swing your arms. We are moving that lymphatic system through our body, cleaning out the cells, the toxins, the bacteria, any disease. We want to clean out the cells. We want to improve our circulation today, stronger muscles and bones. Keep it up. Come on, walk in place. Good. We are stimulating that lymphatic system. All right, keep it going. Now we're going to shift your legs a little bit further than shoulder width apart, and we are going to shift side to side, pressing down on the mat with the whole foot. Push the arms down, and then we're going to push the arms out. Ready? Now we're going to push the arms up. Now rock, shift. Still our feet are flat. We're going to go to number 4, which are going to be the heel lifts. So bring your legs back in about shoulder width apart and lift the heels and press. Lift and press. Can you see it? You're lifting and pressing. Make sure you're engaging that core. Pressing down on the heels. That's your number 4. Now we're going to step out and in. Ready? Out and in. And move the arms and switch sides. Good. You're going to start with the lymphatic flush. If you're new, do it about 2 minutes a day, working up to 15 minutes. You can start with about 3 times a week. All right, good. Now, let's go to number 5, your half jack. Out and in. Add a little bounce. If you're not bouncing yet, just walk it out, okay? Just walk it out. Go back to these. Half jack. Good. Do a few of those. Getting our morning bouts in. All right. Whew. Oh, I forgot my water today. Always have water. Now we're going to go to the next one, which is a full jack. Now we're not bouncing high, we're not jumping high. We are pressing down and press. Don't forget to breathe. Working on balance and coordination also. That's your full jumping jacks. A lot easier on the trampoline than it is on the floor. Good. Next one, number 7, is going to be the split jacks or the scissors with the bicep curl. Got it? Press down on the mat. You can get the feet first if you want. Like I said, this is split jumps or scissors. When you get the feel of the mat, you can pop up the legs a little bit harder. Good. That's number 7, the split jacks or the scissors. Now, let's go to number 8, which is going to be the crossovers or your cross jack. Squeeze the inner thighs and the pelvic floor muscles. Okay, cross left, cross right. After you get the legs down, then you can add the arms, crossing left and right. If that feels comfortable for you, then you can raise your arms up here, about shoulder height. This definitely works on coordination. Now, if you really want to work on the heart rate, bringing the heart rate up, then you're going to go over your head. How's that feel? A little bit harder, huh? All right, slow it down for a second. Whew, and breathe. And let's go to number 9, which is our rotation jumps. So rotation double. 1, 2, the other side. 1, 2, 1, 2. You notice I'm keeping my torso up here straight. I'm moving just the hips. Got it? Double, double. And then singles. Working the waist and the obliques. All right, a few more. Okay. All right, slow it down. Let's go to number 9. Oh, that was number 9. Let's go to number 10. Ready for number 10? Knees up. Opposite knee, opposite elbow. If you can't do that, just tap. That's a little bit easier. Level 1, level 2. Good. Level 3, high knees. Bring the knees up. So we got all kinds of variations. Good. All right, my computer's saying, okay. All right, let's do some side crunches. We're gonna almost be done here. Side crunch, crunch. Pull, put your arms up and pull. Good. Yes. Wonderful. Now, let's go to the last one, which are the heel digs or the heel taps. Tap, low impact, beginner friendly, level 1. Your heel tap, forward. Variation is a heel tap, corners. It's so much fun. Front. And corners. And pick it up a notch. Bounce, bounce, bounce. Yep. All right. And let's just, okay, these pants keep coming down. Okay. So this is your lymphatic drainage workout. Now let's do a lymphatic pat. Very carefully. We want to clean out those toxins. So go back to the health bounce or a baby bounce. And let's just pat very gently. Underneath, you have all these lymphatic lymph nodes in your body. Do the other arm. Pat gently. Underneath. And down your side. Now, you have some, I don't want to do it because my mic is here, but you have your more lymph nodes all through here, which you can massage very gently. Okay? Go to here, very gently. Abdomen. Belly area. Groin. Legs. Go around to the back. Pat the bum. Bring it up to the back. In the kidney area, very gentle. Good. Just cooling down a little bit. I don't know about you, but I worked up a little bit of sweat, huh? Let's just breathe and push that air out. One more time. Breathe, push up, push that air out. Good. And put your hand on your heart. How fast is it beating? Woo, yeah. All right. This song is Stay Positive by Roa Music. Love his music. Bring it down. Good. Now, always carefully step off your rebounder, and after you bounce, check the legs on your rebounder, because sometimes they do have a tendency to get loose. Some of them don't. You never have to adjust it. One particular one on mine I have to adjust. So anyway, thank you so much for joining me. I'll see you next time. Hey, and be sure to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Hit the like button, comment below, and share with somebody who needs to get into the lymphatic drainage out of their body, all the toxins. Bye.